Imagine walking into your living room and seeing a wall covered in lush green plants, vibrant, fresh, and full of life. But here's the twist. You never have to water them, trim them, or worry about sunlight. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. Welcome to the world of artificial vertical gardening, where beauty meets zero maintenance. Several months ago, I was in the exact same spot, dreaming of a beautiful indoor garden, but the maintenance always held me back. I tried real plants, only to watch them wilt and die because of lack of sunlight or too much watering. But then I discovered artificial vertical gardens, and it was like a light bulb went off. Not only do they look amazing, but they also save you from the hassle. In this video, I'll show you how to transform any dull space, whether it's a tiny apartment, a boring office, or a lifeless balcony, into a stunning green oasis. And the best part? No soil, no sunlight, and no stress, just pure evergreen beauty all year round. So, if you're ready to bring nature indoors without the hassle, keep watching. I'll share the most creative artificial vertical gardening ideas that will blow your mind. And stick around till the end because I'll reveal some insider tips to make your artificial plants look so real, no one will believe they're fake. Why artificial vertical gardens? Before we dive into the ideas, let's talk about why artificial vertical gardens are becoming everyone's favorite. Real plants are beautiful, but let's be honest, they're high maintenance. Watering, trimming, sunlight, and the fear of them dying? Too much work. Artificial vertical gardens, on the other hand, are the ultimate hack for busy people, frequent travelers, or anyone who just wants to enjoy greenery without the effort. Here's why they're amazing. 1. Space-saving magic. No backyard? No problem. Artificial vertical gardens turn blank walls into green masterpieces, perfect for small apartments or offices. 2. Zero maintenance. No watering, no pruning, no stress. Just set it up and forget it. 3. Allergy-free. Love plants but hate pollen? Artificial gardens are 100% allergy-friendly. 4. Evergreen beauty. Unlike real plants, artificial ones stay fresh and vibrant 365 days a year. No wilting, no browning. Creative design ideas. Now let's get to the fun part. Design ideas that will transform your space. 1. Living wall. Imagine an entire wall covered in lush green plants. Sounds dreamy, right? With artificial plants, you can create a living wall that stays perfect all year. Mix different shades of green, add textures like ferns or moss, and watch your wall come to life. 2. Framed plant art. For a chic, artistic vibe, try framed plant art. It's like hanging a masterpiece of greenery on your wall. Perfect for small spaces where a full green wall might feel overwhelming. 3. Hanging gardens. Want a floating garden? Suspend artificial plants from the ceiling using macrame hangers or hooks. It's perfect for high ceilings or outdoor pergolas, creating a soft, cascading effect. 4. Trellis displays. Mount a trellis on your wall and decorate it with artificial vines or flowers. It's structured yet natural, ideal for patios, balconies, or even indoor feature walls. 5. Shelf gardens. Arrange artificial potted plants on staggered shelves for a layered 3D effect. It's simple, elegant, and adds depth to any space. Materials and tools. Ready to create your own artificial vertical garden? Here's what you'll need. Artificial plants. Choose high-quality, UV-resistant plants for a realistic look. Mounting base. Use a trellis, wire grid, or wooden panel for full walls, or frames and shelves for smaller displays. Mounting hardware. Zip ties, floral wire, or adhesive hooks will keep your plant secure. Tools. A measuring tape, level, drill, and scissors are your best friends for this project. Step-by-step guide. Let's build your garden. Follow these simple steps. 1. Plan your space. Choose the perfect spot, whether it's a living room wall, a balcony corner, or an office space. Measure the area to know how many plants and materials you'll need. 2. Pick your design. Decide on the style you want. Lush and tropical, minimalist and modern, or something in between. Sketch it out or use a design app to visualize your garden. 3. Gather materials. Get your artificial plants, mounting hardware, and tools ready. Remember, quality matters. Choose plants that look real and last long. 4. Prepare the wall. Clean the surface and mark where you'll place your plants. Use a level to ensure everything is straight and even. 5. Assemble your garden. Start with the larger plants and work your way to the smaller ones. Secure them with zip ties, wire, or adhesive. Step back occasionally to check the balance and adjust as needed. 6. Finishing touches. Trim any excess foliage, reposition plants for a natural look, and ensure everything is securely fastened. Voila! Your stunning vertical garden is ready. Maintenance tips. Even though artificial plants are low maintenance, here's how to keep them looking fresh. Dust regularly. Use a microfiber cloth or a soft brush to remove dust. Inspect for loose parts. Check for any plants that might need resecuring. Replace faded plants. Over time, swap out any plants that lose their color to keep your garden vibrant. Conclusion, and there you have it, your ultimate guide to creating a stunning artificial vertical garden. Whether you're decorating a small apartment, enhancing your office, or transforming your balcony, these ideas will bring life to any space without the hassle of real plants. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your materials, follow these steps, and create your own green masterpiece today. Don't forget to share your before and after photos in the comments. We can't wait to see what you come up with. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Icon Gardening, and let's turn every space into a green paradise together. Until next time, stay creative and keep gardening artificially.